How to make 6,500 with less than 500 subscribers on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to go through exactly how you can do that as an online coach or agency. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it, okay? So first of all, I just want to show you some proof of concept. So this is why I actually created this video. Someone I helped had 7 subscribers. They booked in a call. They closed that call for 3.5k, and this is the same guy, by the way. It's just a different profile picture because this is his personal profile, this is his business profile. He closed another 3k client, and this guy has 7 subscribers on YouTube. They were big time in America, and they literally closed within 10 minutes apparently. They said they were sold within 10 minutes, so that's what he said to me. And this is, if you add them two up, that's 3.5 plus 3k. I think that's also in pounds, so it's a bit more than $6,500 US dollars. So if you work it out in pounds, it's probably about $7,000 to $8,000. Okay, so yeah, a lot of online coaches and agencies think they need a huge following to get clients, and it's actually completely wrong. And I also want to just show you some more proof of concept. Me, I have like 800 subscribers on here and around 900 followers on Instagram, and I still attract high ticket clients to my offer. Okay, so what you're probably doing right now is you're probably posting short form content. You've been told to start a personal brand, which you 100% need, but you took that in the wrong sense and thought, let me post short form content, and you're wondering why no one's booking in calls with you and you're just not getting any clients from it, when everyone's told you need a personal brand, you need a personal brand, which you do. Or you're sending hundreds of cold messages every single day to strangers hoping to get more clients, but instead getting told to F off. I have been in that situation. I sent 5,000 cold DMs. Most of the replies I got were people being rude or telling me to F off. So I've been in that situation. Cold DMs are just a no-go, or cold messages or cold emails are just a no-go, okay? But by the end of this video, you will never have to send a cold DM again, and you will have a consistent flow of qualified leads booking in calls with you every single week with less than 10k followers and less than 10k subscribers. Okay, less than 500 subscribers, as you can see in the title. Okay, so if you actually implement the steps, that will happen. Okay, it's not just, I can't just do it for you if from the screen. You have to actually take the steps and implement them, and that will happen. Okay, so why YouTube? So YouTube is an asset. Raw and authentic videos are winning, and the 7-hour rule. Let's just start with the 7-hour rule. So there's a rule that's been like literally driven by data. So people have taken so much worth of data, and it's come to the conclusion that people have to watch your content for at least 7 hours before they even consider buying from you. Okay, and there's this proof here. This is from the internet. You could look up the 7-hour rule content, and this will come up straight away. Okay, so it takes 7 hours of engagement to convert a lead by building trust and a connection. How do you expect to do this with 30 to 60 second clips? If you do the numbers on this is going to take a year and a half to do so, and that's 420 videos. And I know you lot aren't going to be that consistent of posting short form videos every single day for a year and a half. I know for a fact you're not going to do that. I think it's like it's like a year and a half, maybe less than a year and a half, but still a year posting content. I know you're not going to be that consistent, and that's just for one client to convert, so it's not very optimal, is it? And that's why you're not getting any clients, even though you're posting short form content, even though you're posting multiple pieces every day. They're 60-second clips. Okay, 60, 120, 180. If you post 3 a day, even, that's only 180 seconds. Okay, it's still going to take like half a year, maybe even more, to convert someone. Okay, it's just not optimal. You don't have trust, and that's the one thing you need from someone to sell them something. Okay, so think about it for yourself. Okay, what's the first thing we do when we see someone on a short form platform? I know for a fact what I do, and I know I'm the same as other human beings, so they do it as well. We see if they have any longer form content elsewhere, and this is normally seeing if they have a YouTube channel, right? That I know for a fact that's what I do. I'm like, oh, this guy's intrigued me for a bit more. I wonder if he has longer form content. Boom, I go over to his YouTube channel and get nurtured. Okay. Also, ask yourself this: would you buy from someone who just posts 30 to 60 second clips? Okay. Maybe if you watch them for a year and a half. So, like, you just wouldn't buy for someone who just posts 30 to 60 second clips. You'd want something more. Maybe they have a lead magnet. That's still more than 30 to 60 second clips, if you understand what I'm saying, okay? So it's an insane time for just one person to buy from you, okay? 420 videos for short form videos. Short form videos for someone to even convert into a paying client. I don't know about you. I want to make money quick. I don't want to be one of those guys that has to wait a year for just one person to convert. And don't get me wrong, even from YouTube, yes, some people may not convert straight away, but it's 100% less than a year. Okay, so let's just work out the numbers behind YouTube. It's literally 21 videos. So if you post 20-minute videos, it's 21 videos to build up that 7 hours. You see the difference? And if you post 30 to 40-minute long videos, it takes even less time. Okay, it takes even less videos. Okay, and just look at the people you watch. I bet all of them have some sort of YouTube channel to nurture their audience. Montel Gordon, 45k, Layla Hormozy, Brandon, Dan Coe, Matt Moore. This guy actually sells how to grow on YouTube, so obviously he has a YouTube channel. Sam Ovens, Andrew Kirby, they all have some sort of YouTube presence. Alex Hormozy, Serge Guattari, Iman Ghazi, how did I forget that guy? Iman Ghazi, of course. YouTube is the way to go. Okay, so you just need some sort of YouTube presence. I'm telling you right now, if you have some sort of YouTube presence, you're going to kill it. So what videos should you create? So if you're an online coach or agency, you need to create these 4 types of videos. The first video you should ever create when you start your YouTube video is going to be a video sales letter. Okay, and this video sales letter is a bit different to your normal videos. The main goal of this video is to convert prospects into a book call. So the main goal of the video is to book in calls. So you're going to speak about your story. You're going to rub salt in the wounds of your ideal client's problem. So you need to know your ICP, ideal client profile. You need to know them really well. You need to know their pains, what they're struggling with, where they want to get to, and why they want to get there. But this video sales letter is just going to really rub salt in the wounds of the ideal client's problem. You're going to position your solution as the best and give social proof for that, so clients' results, and then offer your offer at the end and ask them to book in a call. So the main goal of this video should be to try and book people in on calls. So position your process as the best, big it up, make sure it seems like this is the only process they need and have to implement to get from point A to point B. Okay, that's the difference. And this one's going to be quite a bit longer, so it's going to be 30 to 40 minutes long, this video sales letter. Plan that out, like start planning that out if you're going to start YouTube now, because it does nothing's like you can't get anything perfect, but it needs to be up there. Like you need to take time on this video, and that's why it's the first video you need to create. Okay, you also need to create, so the other YouTube videos, just your normal YouTube videos, you need to create attention content. And this kind of content is just showing your lifestyle to get attention, being controversial to get attention, anything to get attention, do it. As long as it relates to your industry, kind of. And using controversial titles to get attention, that's a good way to do it. The next piece of content is nurturing content, and this is positioning your process as the best process, running people through, giving insights to your process, not giving it away all for free, but giving insights into the process, showing them how to do it, so how to do this, how to do that, so and so, why you, kind of like this video here. This is a nurturing piece of content, so follow this framework. And then social proof content, and social proof content is going through clients' results, getting on interviews with clients, going through client case studies in detail, and just making sure they know your process is the thing they need, okay, to get from point A to point B. So I recommend posting 1 to 3 YouTube videos a week, okay? And you're probably like, whoa, that's a lot, but there's a huge YouTube shift happening. Have you noticed recently how the videos you're seeing are no longer edited, okay? Well, that's because raw and authentic videos are winning right now, okay? People are sick and tired of the over-edited fluff. They're sick and tired of it because it is fluff. They realise it's fluff. The editing just keeps them on the video. There's no real value behind, and there's no real insights behind the actual video itself, what they're saying within the video. And this is why I suggest posting 1 to 3 times a week, because it's really simple to put your camera up and speak, okay? Just put your camera up and literally speak. And if you don't believe me, believe the 2 biggest people within the industry, Mr. Beast and Alex Hormozy. So let me just read these out for you. So Mr. B said this on his Twitter, and it's not fake. I didn't create this. Like, I didn't go on Canva and create this. You can check his Twitter. Okay, his X. Sorry. This past year, I've slowed down our videos, focused on storytelling, let scenes breathe, yelled less, more personality, longer videos, etc. And our views have skyrocketed. My fellow YouTubers, let's get rid of the ultra fast-paced overstim era of content. It doesn't even work. Okay, 49 million views 21 hours ago. Okay, and Alex Emozi, if you're more into the business side of things, no more ad high production. It would be light edits, mostly uncut, more long form. Guys, well, I've been saying this for not years, I've been saying this for months, okay? And now you're going to believe me because I've used two of the biggest creators, okay? Okay, so just start posting raw and authentic videos. I'm telling you, they're doing super well right now. Just get on them, okay? Look at everyone in the industry is doing well. They're posting raw and authentic videos. So next, you've created your videos and everything like that. Now it's time to promote them. So how do you even promote your videos? So there's quite a few ways to promote your videos. There's one, Instagram stories. So to get attention, you need some sort of attention to lead people over to YouTube. So I post on Instagram. So what you can do is literally post Instagram stories whenever you post a YouTube video, link the link so people from there can go over to your YouTube. In your Instagram bio, you can have one link, and that should be your video sales letter. So lead everyone over straight away to your video sales letter to booking calls like that. DM ads, and this is running ads to retarget the people who've been onto your Instagram profile and get them to comment a keyword so you can send them something over, which will be your video sales letter, which will get them over to YouTube. Emails, so if you grab people's emails with a ManyChat sequence or you have a lead magnet, you can send them emails, promote your YouTube videos whenever you post one. And also YouTube's, and this is another good thing about YouTube's retargeting is insane. It's insane. So let's just say, for example, someone watches 3 seconds of your video on YouTube. They're going to keep getting retargeted by your videos every single day now. So they won't be able to get away from your videos. And if you intertwine all of these together, so all of these things together, they're never going to be able to get away with not watching your videos, your YouTube videos. And this is going to build up 7 hours so fast and so quick, okay? And also ManyChat, so you can set up a ManyChat sequence. At the end of some of your organic short form videos, you can say, comment the word keyword, I'll send you over free training, sends them over the video sales letter automatically, and also grabs their email. Okay, YouTube will literally change your life and business. You need to start before it's too late. It's literally the best time to be on YouTube right now. YouTube is popping, the algorithm is amazing, retargeting is amazing, raw and authentic videos are winning. So you can literally be lazy, set up your camera, post videos, giving insights, and get clients. It's as easy as that. Well, I don't want to say easy, it's as simple as that. So get on YouTube ASAP before it's too late, okay? And if you're an online coach or agency, you have a solid offer, you have a few testimonials to back that offer up, so you have proof of concept, and you're sick and tired of the cold DM grind or hustling away every day posting multiple pieces of short form content and still getting no qualified book calls or clients, I want to help you get your next 5 high-paying dream clients without sending cold DMs and with an audience of less than 10k followers while working less than 4 hours a day within 12 weeks guaranteed. If that sounds like something that interests you, if you want that to happen, book in a call with the first link in the description. I'll show you how to do it. So let's just say you're on one of my videos, you're watching, you can just scroll down, go to more here, press on it, and then press on Calendly, and then book in a call here. You can see what times are available. Click on here, click whatever time you want, boom, 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 go through the questions and then schedule event. So that's how to book in a call, and you can check out the other 3 links if you want in the description. There's a free 5-hour personal branding and monetization course, and there's also my free community that I have 30+ hours worth of course content in there, and I also do weekly masterclasses every Tuesday in there, so on certain topics. So if you are interested in that offer, just book a call with the first link in the description. And yeah, thanks guys for watching this. This is how to make 6.5k with YouTube, literally on autopilot, okay? So I hope you got some value from this. Subscribe, everything like that, and peace.